Lo mcimbi wokuqhakambisa amagalelo nokwazisa amaphoyisa asebenza ngokuzikhandla. Lezi indondo zineminxa engaphezulu kwama-30 ehlanganisa okwakhomishana amaphoyisa kuzwelonke nokangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa.
As South African Police Service Management, together with the ministry, on a day like tonight, we are acknowledging the hard workers for that which they do towards keeping South Africa safe.
Amaphoyisa aqokiwe emkhakheni yahlukene athi lokhu kusho impumelelo yokusebenza kanzima.
To me, it's very important because it shows that the employer does recognize us, and then the hard work that we are giving to serve the community and the people we are living to protect.
For me, to be nominated and be part of this prestigious event, it means a lot, as we get recognition not only for the work that we do, but for the SAPS in a whole. There's so many negative stories about SAPS, and this now they can see, but it's not just bad. There's also very good in this organization.
Lo mcimbi wanamuhla wandulela usuku lwakusasa lapho kuzobungazwa usuku lwamaphoyisa kuzwelonke.